Hi, I'm Casey Colton, COO of Colton RV, where we work hard to provide the country with the best selection of RVs, from motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, and more. The growing camping culture in the U.S. has created a need for more RVs. Last year alone, there were 93.8 million active camper households in the United States. 56.9 million households camped at least once, and there were over 9 million first-time camping households. Colton RV is the largest family-run RV dealership in New York State and has recently expanded its operations into Pennsylvania. We have over 200 employees and are committed to providing the best experience for both our employees and our customers. We start by finding individuals who are smart, hungry, humble, and committed to serving others.
So our goal within the sales department is to help people achieve their dreams. And we constantly train to learn all the features, advantages, and benefits of every RV in our inventory, which plays a role in finding the best make and model to fit our customers' needs and wants. Knowing the tow limits of the customer's vehicle, how much traveling and what type of camping they'll be doing really helps us reach their destination. Having support from our Business Development Center is also critical to our sales process, as they assist with incoming calls and emails from potential customers inquiring about RVs that they may see online and on our website.
Our service department plays a vital role in daily operations with the focus on supporting our sales team and our customers before and after the sale. We have multiple service bays throughout our locations, a great parts presence, and we offer services that make it easy to enjoy your RV. Team members range from tenured certified technicians to entry-level technicians just starting their career. We provide on-the-job training to give our employees the best opportunity to succeed. We are also supported by our customer care team. They field all the incoming calls related to customer service, such as troubleshooting, appointment scheduling, and providing the next step in the service process.
When someone comes into our dealership, they're looking to make memories that will last a lifetime. At Colton RV, everyone's opinion matters, and we're challenged to make a difference. We want people who have big ideas and who want to execute to make our company a place that both employees and customers love being at. As camping becomes more and more popular, we have a renewed understanding of the importance of freedom, family, and spending quality time together. And our team gets to be part of the industry that helps make it all happen. To learn more about Colton RV and current job openings, visit us online at coltonrv.com/careers.